everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending a little bit of your time with me. Today, I'd like to share with you my price matching and couponing haul for this week. So if you want to see what I purchased and whether or not I used any coupons and how much I paid for each product, please keep on watching. Okay, so let's start off with the toilet paper. As you can see, I have 5 packages right here, but I have another 5 that you're not seeing. I've put those away because, well, they take up too much room here, and you get the idea. So these are a 2-day sale at Shoppers Drug Mart, so that would be Saturday and Sunday. They're currently on sale for $3.99, which in itself is a pretty good deal. However, there is a $1 printable coupon, and that can be found on smartsource.ca. It is a hidden link, so I will link that link down below. So that brought down each package to $2.99. And they currently have the 12 equals 24 roll, or I think it's the 8 triple roll equals 24, and those are both on sale. So there is that $1 printable coupon, or there was actually a insert coupon on one of the last inserts, and I'll show you how that looks like right now. So either coupon will work. So again, $2.99 is definitely a stocker price. I was running low, so I like to have a nice stock of these. So this will tie me over for a while. So get yours. Again, that's Saturday and Sunday. Next, we have the Axe, and this is the shampoo and conditioner all in one. It doesn't have to be all in one, so it's just Axe hair care. And these are currently on sale at Superstore, the Real Canadian Superstore, for $2.98 or $2.99. Anyways, it's around the $3 mark, not quite. So they're currently on sale for that price. There is a $1.50 printable coupon from smartsource.ca, as well as Checkout 51 currently has a $1.50 cashback offer, limit 3, which means your Axe hair care is absolutely free. So I did pick up 3, and hopefully hubby will pick up another 3 using his account, because for free, it's a great brand, and again, it doesn't cost you anything except the tax. So free hair care, absolutely love it. Next to the Axe, we have the Vim. This is currently on sale at Shoppers Drug Mart for 99 cents. And I did have to go specifically to Shoppers Drug Mart for this because this size, the 250 ml size, Walmart does not carry these. So I did have to go to Shoppers Drug Mart, which is fine because you get points. And I did have to go to a couple of Shoppers Drug Marts because for whatever reason, even though it's in the flyer, they don't have them in stock. They have the larger ones. However, the larger ones wouldn't have been free. So I did have to go to a few Shoppers Drug Mart, but I did find them and they were free. And that, again, that coupon was in one of the last inserts for $1. There's also a $1.50 tear pad coupon out there, which unfortunately I haven't been able to get a hold of as of yet, but the $1 insert coupon certainly made those free. So I did pick up 4. While I was at Shoppers, they still had their Easter items on clearance. I did upload, my last video was Easter clearance items. I was able to find these as well. These were 25 cents. I would have picked up more if they had more, but they didn't. So this is the Carnaby Milk Chocolate Makeup Kit, and you can see it's chocolate, and as I'm a makeup lover, this is perfect. Except it won't be for me. I'll be giving this to somebody else. But for 25 cents, yes, please. Great deal. So I picked up 2. Moving here to the right, we have the light bulbs. These are the LED light bulbs. And I picked up the 60 watt. And these are on at Walmart for $1.50. However, there's an instant rebate offer where they deduct $1, so that made each light bulb 50 cents. Usually they have TearPad coupons, not necessary. They instantly take off $1 at the cash. So I bought 6, each of them 50 cents. So these are always a great item to have in stock. Next, this is a fun, unexpected buy. I picked up this air-blown inflatable energy efficient LED, so it lights up. It's 3.5 feet tall, and I can use this for birthdays in our family, for our friends. And this regularly retailed, I think they had that on for $25.99 or $29.99. It's not, they don't have it on the shelves as being on clearance. However, when I scanned the item, it came up for $5. So you bet I picked it up. Super cute. They also had a minion holding a happy birthday sign, again inflatable, and they also had the Ninja Turtles also holding a happy birthday sign, also $5, also inflatable. So for $5, yes, I think this is a great addition to any birthday. And last but certainly not least, I picked up these Febreze plugins. And these were not on sale. I've seen some of my friends on here purchase them for $4.47 each. These were regularly priced at my Walmart for $5.47. However, I did have a $4 coupon, and I'll show you what that coupon looks like. It is a TearPad coupon, and I still see it out there. So that brought it down to $1.47 each. And I think that's a great price considering Febreze is a name brand, and again, they retail for $5.47, but I've only paid $1.47. And this is what the coupon looks like. So it's definitely a high value coupon. $4, again, making these $1.47. And I thought that was a great deal. And that was it. That was my couponing haul for this week. So let me know down below what sales you've taken advantage of this week and share with all our friends on here. So hopefully, if I haven't mentioned it, we too can take advantage of those sales. And I hope everyone's having a great day. Once again, thank you so much for stopping by. And I hope you're able to take advantage of some of these deals if you haven't already. So again, thank you so much for watching. And like always, I will talk to you in my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone.